When is the best time to prepare your self-assessment as a business owner? We get this question a lot. Follow my video, I'll tell you exactly when and why.
Click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content.
If you're finding conflicting information really annoying, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when the best time is to prepare your self-assessment as a business owner and why. When's the deadline? The deadline to file your self-assessment is the 31st of January following the tax year end. When are my payments due? Your payments are due normally for most business owners on the 31st of January and the 31st of July each year. So in effect, you will pay your tax every 6 months. Income is necessary for my tax return, all of it. All of your income needs to go on your self-assessment. And as a business owner, we normally have a combination of salary, dividends and interest received on any loan accounts. We also have potentially investment income, which can be buy-to-let property, it could be commercial property, it could be share portfolio, it could be pensions, it could be a whole host of other things. All of your income must go onto your self-assessment, and make sure that you are claiming every single relief that you are entitled to. When is the best time to prepare my self-assessment? That is dead easy. It's by the 30th of June. You have the tax year ends on the 5th of April. So if you got your tax return started and done any time mid to late April to June, I think you are killing it. I'll explain my reasons why. Point number one. The deadline, as I mentioned earlier, is the 31st of January. Now, who wants to walk into January after Christmas because everyone's really flush and not know what their tax liability is going to be? Well, that's a horrible axe to have hanging over your head. Ugh. Point number two, if you've got a refund, why let HMRC sit on it? Get this return in, done, and the money in your bank account. Just in case that wasn't clear, if you are due a refund, get the money as quickly as possible. Point number three, knowing your liability. Now, if you get your tax return in done by the 30th of June, you will have 7 months to plan for this. So even if you haven't done any planning, and I'm a massive advocate for planning before a year end, is do you know your liability with 7 months? So even if you didn't see what coming, having 7 months to prepare for this is better than days or even hours. When do you get your self-assessment done each year? Comment below, love to hear. But even better would be, when would you like to get it done this year? Point number four, you can legitimately reduce your payment on account in July if you have earned less in this tax year than you did the prior tax year. So getting your tax return done in the 30th of June will give you an opportunity potentially to reduce your payment on account if you've had less income this year. And if you've had less income this year, who wants to pay more tax up front? I don't think anyone does. Point number five, I don't know my income. This one's dead easy. Why not? You should do. You should be planning at the start of your year as a business owner what salary and dividends and interest you are going to take from the business. You may have additional income, and this could be buy-to-let properties, this could be pension income, it could be a whole host of things. But you should be planning this before the year end. And now with cloud accounting technologies and technology in general, this stuff is so much more easier to collate. So if you don't know your income, why not? Because I think you've got a different question to ask. Point six, will I have to pay my tax early? We get asked this a lot. If I file my tax return early, I'm meant to pay my tax early. Myth. Doesn't happen. You can file your tax return any time, but the payment dates are the same, whether you file your tax return on the 31st of January, right at midnight, or if you filed it on the 30th of June. You still have to pay your tax on the same dates. 7, they're not the most exciting things to do. Get it. They're not the most exciting things to do whatsoever, but with any job that is an ache to do, the best feeling is once you've done it and it's gone, pull it beyond and get on with your life. Because any time that you're not doing your tax return, you've got that little thought in the back of your head going, oh, I should be doing this. Well, get on with it, doing it, and then put that monkey aside, throw it away and get it done. You will feel so much better. My goal for MDH is to get every single self-assessment in and done by the 31st of October. I've never done it, but we've consistently got above 90% for the last 4 years. So me and my team will be working our best to make sure that all of the self-assessments that we can physically get the records in and do will be done by the 31st of October. If this video has spurred any questions or you would like to talk to me further, please use the contact form that's at the bottom of the page to book in a discovery call with either me or one of my team, and we'd love to help you. Would you like to pay less tax? There are 71 opportunities to pay less tax in our book. Our current record for tax saved is over 300,000 for one company. Could yours be more? Download our free resource to see what tax you could save now and for the future. To make sure also you don't miss out on any of our future updates, tick the box saying, yes please, keep me updated. We really hope that you found this video of value. If you have any questions, please book in a discovery call with either me or one of my team. The contact form is below. In the how we can help box, type in discovery call and one of my team will be in contact to book in a call with us.